So, you already know why you are here. Let's move ahead and log in into the cloud.
First, move to a browser and search for Claude AI. It will bring you to this Google search. Just click on this first link, which you see Cloud Sign In. It will bring you to the Cloud interface. As you see, here is the interface to log in and get started with Cloud. You see this continue with Google? Just click on it or add your Gmail. You'll just select the Gmail you want to use and click continue. Just a few moments, it will process and onboard you into creating your account. As you see, there are several plans. Just choose the one you want. As you see, here you just input your name and input the role you are in. Just get things set up in a few quick minutes. And finally, the cloud is finally ready for you to get started with it.